Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Yamaha soundbar with the model number YSP-5600. So this soundbar has a bunch of different features, HDMI, Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, so important if you want high audio quality. And now some Yamaha doesn't actually need to have this, and it still give out a very good audio quality, although this one does provide additional features, Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this open, and over here as well, and then I'm just gonna cut the tape right here. Alright, this is inside the box right here, and on the left hand side we got a remote control. It's quite a big remote control, and it also comes with a battery as well. It's got a Panasonic battery. Here we can lift this up, and on the right hand side there is a stand, so we can put it on a stand. This one can also be mounted onto the wall. So we've got the stand right here. I'm wondering if they have the stuff for us to mount onto the wall or not, so let's take a look. Take it out. It's quite heavy, but that's the bar. I'm just going to leave it on the mattress. Just going to cut this one open. So that's the speaker right there, and this is the back where you can mount it onto the back right here. So we've got screws over here on this side, and you can mount it to the back. Just going to leave it down for now. Okay, in here there are some more cables, so it's all taped down, so we need to remove the tape. So let's have a look at this one. So there's one cable right here. There's also a user guidebook. It's all taped down, so we need to cut the tape. Okay, so there it is. Let's pull this one out. So you got the wanted and user guide. So you got the setup guide right here. We got the digital cable, so included one digital cable. There's also an owner's manual on a CD-ROM, and there's also a quick reference guide. Then there is also another power cable that is tied down into the base. So this is the power cable right here, guys. Let's plug into the speaker. So that's all it is. There is no wall mount bracket, so I guess we might need to purchase them separately. There's no HDMI cable as well. I can't locate any more cables. That's all it is. No HDMI cable. Now there are two screws right here that I can see. Okay, so that is everything there is for the speaker YSP-5600. Now there is also a Yamaha subwoofers that goes with the speakers, but this is in a separate box. So we're unboxing the Yamaha NS SW300 subwoofer as well in the next video. And that's it. That's everything inside the box, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.